All my subscribers out there, this is King Buzzy 2015. This is my rally truck. I'm gonna show you a little update I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna put a little turbo into it. Alright, stay tuned. Welcome back, YouTube. Now I'm here at Los Angeles Customs. Time to put turbo into the derby truck now. Know what I mean? Off-road vehicle. Let's give her.
What brings you in today?
She's the Redel. We're gonna give it to her. I'll fix her up. Good on turbo now. Now we're not gonna put turbo on it. I'm just gonna put a transmission. No, not transmission.